Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatullah Muhammad Fatullah Al Gamoudi. My matric number GA 240039. So today I am going to present our project, which is for Advanced Engineering Mathematics MEA 10103. So I am from Group 2, Section 1. So problem statement. So here for problem statement. So solar energy systems are important for providing and clean and sustainable energy, but managing them effectively can be challenging. So one major problem is predict energy consumption, which depends on factors like solar energy generated and for example, system efficiency. So these factors are connected in complex way. So change one factor don't always lead to predictable changes in energy use, which means that when one factor like solar energy generated for better efficiency, so the changes it does not always cause for clear or expected change in energy use. So to solve this problem, you can use advanced methods like artificial neural network, ANN, or machine learning, or a practical swarm optimization, PS4. So that can be help. So for AN, can learn the complex pattern between factors to make better prediction, and for machine learning can find important trends and features, and for BSO can adjust system setting to improve performance. So by using these tools to makes to possible to reduce energy waste and store and use energy more effectively. So here by going to the machine learning for multivariation using Google Colab. So this is our data that we use. So here for independent X, which is solar energy and system efficiency and energy export and energy storage and battery efficiency. So for y dependent variable, which is energy consumed. So here for multiple linear regression, we got 27 for MAB, and for decision tree regression, we got for 39, and for random forest regression, we for MEB we got 27.645. So this is the graph. This is the data for real Y and for MLR Y and for random forest Y, as you can see here, and for neighbors regression. So the MEB which 29.718. So this is the graph for the in EY, and the last one for SPM we got MEB 27.93 for, and last thing for PS4. Uh, as you can see here, as you can see here, as you can see here, which is for PS in AB. For bus parameter, which 1.611 and 906, and for the best parameter best C 1.6, we got 1.611 and 926. And this is the graph for tuning CVMY and for real Y. That's all, and thank you.